Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial. So this is another video in the series of Maya basic modeling for beginners. So today we are going to create this cup, as you can see in the reference. So we'll start with a basic cylinder. Add some height to it and some radius. Now go to face mode and select these top faces. Right click and select this select similar. And now delete all these faces. Go to front view. And since we don't have any segments in this cylinder, then we can just simply select the vertices and scale them without using the lattice. Like this. Select these top vertices and pull them up a little bit. Now let's take insert edge loop tool. Go to front view and add one edge here and one down here. Now select these edges and bevel. Decrease the fraction. Keep it 0.2. Now go to face mode and select these faces. Then extrude. Add some thickness. Now what we can do is go to edge mode again and select these top edges. Then press shift and scale them to add some offset like this. And then extrude. Pull these edges down. Go to front view and align them with this edge here. Go to wireframe mode and pull them up like this. Maybe a little bit up. Then scale. And now press shift and scale again. And while selecting these edges, press shift right click and go to merge collapse and select this merge edges to center. And repeat the same thing with this edge. Extrude and merge it to center. Now as you can see, there is some metal part inside our cup, and for that what we can do is go to face mode and select these faces and then create a duplicate. Now select this and extrude. Add some thickness to 0.1, and now our cup is ready. Now isolate this. Go to edge mode and select all these edges. Then bevel. Decrease the fraction to 0.35 and add one segment. Go to edge mode and select this edge and this one, then bevel. Turn off the chamfer and decrease the fraction. Keep the fraction to 0.01. And now what you can do is select the alternate edges. And delete so that these polygons are quads, and repeat the same thing down here. delete. Now bring back your cup and now this time select it and isolate. Go to edge mode again, select this one and this one, then bevel. Add one segment, keep the fraction to 0.4. And again select this edge and this one, then bevel. Turn the chamfer off, decrease the fraction, and this time keep it 0.02. Now select these edges and again bevel, decrease the fraction, keep it 0.25 and add one segment. Now we just need to model this handle. Now go to front view and take a cube, pull this out and up here like this. Now select this cup and go to deform, then select this lattice. Open your attribute editor and in the T divisions change it to 2. Now select the lattice point, select these top points and pull them up a little bit like this. Now select your cup and go to edit, then delete by type history. Now select this cube and go to top view, face mode and select all these faces except this front face and delete all these selected faces. Go to front view again and pull this up, scale it down a little bit like this. Vertex mode and place these vertices on this cup and these one place them here like this. And now let's add some segments. So go to your modeling toolkit and with the connect tool let's add 4 segments and select these vertices, then scale them like this. Now again edge mode, select this edge, then extrude it till down here like this and scale it like this. Again select the connect tool and add some segments here. Go to vertex mode and adjust these vertices like this. Again select this edge and extrude, scale it like this, place it on the cup, then add some segments with the connect tool. Go to vertex mode and select these vertices, then scale. Like this. And to create these parts, go to edge mode again, select this edge and extrude a little bit like this, pull this up. Now select this one, also pull this down. And we have a basic shape like this handle. Go to front view again and go to vertex mode, select this vertex and pull this down here and this one up to create this curve. Now go to vertex mode again, select all these vertices and let's scale them like this and extrude, add some thickness. Let's add 0.5 and now go to edge mode, select all these edges. And now let's bevel, increase the fraction to 0.4 and add one segment. And now we can smooth it like this. Go to front view and now we can place this on the cup. Go to top view and place it in the center. Like this. And you can also select this, go to deform and take this lattice, change the TD visions back to 2 and take these lattice points, select these points and place them here like this, maybe a little bit down here and these ones up. Now select this, go to edit, delete by type history to get rid of that lattice. And you can also tweak this a little bit like this, just pull them up. And we are good to go. So instead of using this cloth material here, what I'm going to do is go to face mode and select these faces and then duplicate. Now while selecting these faces, I'm going to combine them and then extrude, add a little bit of thickness and then isolate. Go to edge mode and select all these edges. And then bevel. Add a segment, decrease the fraction to 0.4 and then bring back the model and see it in smooth preview. And these two things can be metallic instead of this cloth. So our cup modeling is done. And I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and if you did then you can subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.